Hi, today I'm going to show you how to take apart my Falcon A1 laser to clean the internal fan. So, first I just get rid of the exhaust pipe. This machine comes with all the Allen wrenches needed to remove any screws. So, I just start by removing all the screws, then I take the back off. I'm going to pull the laser towards me to have it hanging off the table so I can get the screws on the bottom. There will be 4 screws to unscrew on the bottom. So now I can remove the backing piece and grab the fan. I could have unplugged the cords to the fan and screwed the cords to get inside of the fan to clean it better. I should have, but I was already kind of paranoid about taking my laser apart, and my fan wasn't too dirty, but you can see the gunked up smoke and debris. I don't know why I didn't film me cleaning that part of the fan, but I did film me cleaning around the blades. I just used a damp rag and it was pretty dirty, but I really don't use my laser that much. And whenever I do, I mostly just cut wood. Now I put it back together, and for some reason, the back piece didn't want to line up with the screw holes. It's like it didn't want to fit back in place so I could screw the screws back in the bottom. This is why I'm paranoid about taking things apart because it seems like we try to put it back together, it don't want to fit back correctly. It took me like 7 minutes to get this piece to line up with the bottom holes that I literally just unscrewed those 4 screws out of. It was strange, but I finally got the holes to line up correctly, and now I can screw the 4 screws back in the bottom piece. So here's me finally screwing the screws back in that bottom piece. Well, I finished that. Now all I have to do is put the back piece on and screw all the screws in. Then put the exhaust pipe back on. Well, thanks for watching. I hope this gave you a better understanding of how to take apart the laser to clean the fan.